Tonight's practice is gentle but awakening, perfect for beginners, but with enough depth for anyone who's been on their mat for years. Welcome, everyone. Namaste. I am Tamika with Yogi Style, and this is the December 4th supermoon. Thank you for being here under this December supermoon, the last full moon of the year. We're going to cleanse the air first. Just a little bit of this space. I've already been cleansing the area, but we're going to get started. And today is all about releasing. So we want to cleanse the air before we bring some back in. I chose to bring us outside tonight because nature does something that indoor spaces can't. When you're under the open sky, your breath gets a little deeper, your mind gets a little quieter, and your body remembers that it's part of something bigger, even in the middle of the holiday rush. Full moons have always represented release, clarity, and illumination. They're like a spotlight for your soul. They show you what you're ready to let go of and what you're finally ready to step into. December full moon is especially powerful. It's the moment where the year exhales. Even if nothing in your life changes overnight, you are changing. Your awareness is shifting. Your energy is deciding what's coming with you into the new year and what's staying behind. We'll start standing, letting the legs, spine, and breath open up. We'll move into chair postures for grounding and joint support, making space for anyone who needs low impact options. And we'll finish with a seated savasana in the chair, a long, spacious, restorative savasana for the nervous system. Think of this as a reset button for your body, mind, and heart. As we come into standing, let your feet connect to the earth beneath you. Even if it's grass, concrete, or a patio, it's still the same ground that holds you all year long. Tonight, imagine each inhale gathering strength and each exhale letting go of something heavy you picked up without noticing. Go ahead and find your chair. Chair yoga isn't easier, it's intentional. It slows the mind down enough for real alignment, real release, and real regulation. Use the support, soften your shoulders, and let this be part of the night where your body says, "Thank you for bringing me here." Let your hands soften in your lap. Let the muscles in your face relax, even the ones you're not aware of. Let the full moon light do the work for you. Imagine it rinsing your energy the same way the tide resets the shoreline. If something feels complete, let it go. If something feels exciting for next year, let it glow a little brighter in your mind. You don't have to force anything tonight. Slowly bring your awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders. Take one slow, deep inhale together. As we close this year and close this practice, remember this. You don't have to have everything figured out to begin again. You only need presence, breath, and the willingness to choose yourself. Thank you for joining me. I'm Tamika with Yogi Style. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.